Hey everyone! Welcome back to Docens Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn easy and fast English for beginners. If you're just starting to learn English, this video will give you quick tips and basic phrases that you can start using right away. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable speaking English as soon as possible, so let's get started. First, let's go over some basic greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, hello, or hi. To ask how they're doing, say, how are you? Or how's it going? A common response is, I'm good, thank you. And you. These simple greetings are great for starting conversations and showing that you're friendly and approachable. Now, let's talk about introducing yourself. If you're meeting someone for the first time, say, my name is, or I'm, followed by your name. For example, my name is Anna, or I'm Alex. To keep the conversation going, you can ask, what's your name? Or where are you from? These phrases will help you connect with others and build relationships. Next up, let's practice some useful questions you can use in everyday situations. Ask, what is this? Or how much is this? When you want to learn more about something. You can also ask, where is? For example, where is the bathroom? Or where is the bus stop? These simple questions will help you find what you need and get around more easily. When it comes to expressing your needs, use phrases like, I need or can I have? For example, I need a pen, please. Or can I have a glass of water? Being able to ask for what you need is very important, especially when you're traveling or in new places. Don't forget to say, please and thank you, to show good manners. Now, let's learn how to talk about yourself using easy sentences. Say, I like or I don't like, to express your preferences. For example, I like pizza, or I don't like cold weather. To talk about your abilities, say, I can or I can't like, I can swim, or I can't drive. These simple phrases help you communicate what you enjoy and what you can do. If you want to ask for help, use phrases like, could you help me? Or can you show me how to? These questions show that you're polite and respectful when asking for assistance. For example, could you help me find this address? Or can you show me how to use this phone? It's always okay to ask for help. People will appreciate your kindness. Finally, let's go over some farewell phrases to use when saying goodbye. You can say, goodbye, or see you later. If you want to be more casual, just say, bye, or take care. And if you had a great time talking to someone, say, it was nice meeting you, or I hope to see you again soon. These expressions leave a positive impression and show that you enjoyed the conversation. With these easy and fast phrases, you're ready to start speaking English right away. Practice these phrases as much as you can, and don't be afraid to use them in real conversations. Remember, learning English doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Just take it step by step, and you'll improve faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Docens Digitalis TV for more simple and effective English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and keep practicing. See you in the next video.